Regular maintenance is important to keep your garage door functioning properly. Here are a few things you can do on a regular schedule that will help your garage door work well. For this project, you will need oil, brake cleaner, latex gloves, a step ladder, and a cleaning cloth. First, you need to visually inspect the door as well as listen for any odd noises when it opens or closes. Additional safety checks include looking at the variety of springs attached to your garage door, looking at the tracks, cables, rollers, brackets, and hinges for any loose parts or broken pieces. If any of the moving parts of the door are broken, worn, or frayed, or if you hear any odd noises, you will need to call a technician. These safety checks should be done every 3 months. In order for your door to open and close smoothly, the door hinges, bearings, and springs need to be lubricated. Different manufacturers suggest different schedules for lubrication. Check your owner's manual for the schedule specific to your garage door. Motor oil or a light household oil can be used to lubricate these parts. It is very important that you do not lubricate the roller tracks or rails of your garage door. This can cause them to slip, which results in the door becoming unbalanced. The rails should instead be cleaned using a cloth and brake cleaner. Be sure to wear latex gloves while cleaning the rails. If you have any questions about this process, call Home Spectors at 336-382-7269.